Theodore Beza, Icones, Reuchlin, Episode 3. Hic, vero, quis futurum credidisset, ut eosedente judica, in quem potissimum hoc telum torquebatur, vinceret veritas? As Beza continues, he asks this question, hic vero, but here, this is the adverb hic, but here, quis credidisset, who would have believed? So here we have our masculine singular nominative, interrogative pronoun, and credidisset is a third singular, pluperfect, subjunctive, and active, from the third conjugation verb credo, credere. But who would have believed at this junction, hic, at this junction, that it would come to pass, futurum. So with futurum here we are understanding esse, and futurum esse is going to be oratio obliqua, indirect statement dependent upon credidisset. But at this junction, who would have believed that it would happen, that it would come to pass, ut. Now the ut receives its completion with a vinceret veritas. In between, we have some modification. So, who would have believed that it would come to pass that the truth, veritas, would win out, that it would conquer? Vinceret here, third singular, imperfect, subjunctive, and active, from the third conjugation verb vinco, vincere, and its subject, of course, is veritas, in the feminine singular and nominative. So who would have believed that it would turn out that the truth would conquer? In other words, that Reuchlin would not be condemned by the Inquisition. Eo sedente judica, with that person sitting as judge. Now, judica is capitalized here because I believe it refers to Leo X, the Pope from the previous episode, that while he was sitting as judge, namely Leo X, the person in quem, the person against whom. In quem is masculine singular accusative, and it's a relative pronoun, and its antecedent is judica. So the person against whom, especially potissimum, so this is a superlative adverb, especially, principally, specifically, hoc telum, this shaft, and this is going to be telum, neuter singular nominative, referring to Reuchlin's scholarly works as a telum, the person against whom especially this shaft, torquebatur, was aimed or was twisted. So torquebatur is a third singular, it's an imperfect, indicative, and it is passive. So the verb torqueo means to twist, torqueo torquere, and when one throws a spear, a spiral is imparted to it. So we would simply translate this as thrown or hurled, but the notion is that it is turned into a spiral as the telum is shot or as it's leaving one's hand. So to summarize, but here, hic vero, who would have believed that it would happen, that, while the very man was sitting as judge, namely Leo X, the man against whom specifically this shaft was aimed, torquebatur, who would believe that the truth would win out, vinceret veritas. And here we have again the dates of Johannes Reuchlin, 1455 to 1522.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.